Marriott Courtyard Sandestin at Grand Boulevard is located right off of the parkway, making it really easy to get to all of the great local restaurants and things to do. The lobby area is huge. It's amazing. There's tons of seating. There's a bistro on site serving a food menu along with Starbucks coffee. It's a great hotel, especially if you're doing a multi-family trip or multi-generational trip where you want space to meet up but still have your own room area. There's this great outdoor seating area, really nice outdoor pool and whirlpool with seating, just a lot of space to enjoy right off of the main street, which is lovely. And the hotel was so quiet. We were awe-inspired when we opened up our balcony door and went, whoa, it's loud outside, because we didn't hear a single thing in our room. Really nice size fitness center, lots of different machines and free weights and space here. This hotel has a little bit of everything. They also have meeting rooms on site. So if you need to have a meeting or a reception, they have that availability. This is a look at our room on the 5th floor. We were in a king standard room. They have a shower tub combo. So if you do need something that's accessible, they have those available. Just make sure you designate that with your reservation or call the hotel because it is a step-in tub. So a fair amount of space here. The bed was firm but comfortable. Microwave and mini fridge, great for leftovers or snacks. Keeping your drinks cold, which is always a bonus when traveling. Flat screen TV. The couch was pretty comfy. It had a plug-in on the side to be able to charge your phone, but it actually wasn't plugged in, just an FYI, but there are chargers next to the bed. Then storage here in the cabinet, iron and ironing board. There's extra bedding here. The couch does turn into a pull-out bed, which is lovely if you're traveling with your entire family. We had a mini balcony, we'll call it. There was tables and chairs. It wasn't giant, but there are rooms with bigger balconies if you want that outdoor space. Here's a look at the couch in the room. Check out golfcoastjourneys.com for